Hey, what's up guys? Just a little quick video. I've been dealing with a rattle in the rear for some time after being lowered, especially when I was on coilovers. I always thought that it was loose suspension in the rear, or it could be possibly my exhaust is knocking around. Turned out it was just this latch moving back and forth, going over bumps. So I came across a video from KDM Kurt, shout out to him, and all he did was put electrical tape around this hinge so it has less play to move around, and it surprisingly fixed it. I mean, I already have washers inside of there and inside of there, but it just blows my mind that after all this, coming from coilovers to a set of bags, that's what caused the rattle in the rear. And it always sounded like either an exhaust clinging around, or it was, you know, some loose suspension or some end links. But it's a real easy and kind of dumb fix that if you're lowered, to just keep that in mind. I mean, mine's a 2018, so I'm not sure if it's on the newer models, this hatch rattle. This actually currently fixed it, and it was bad. I mean, it really made it sound like your suspension was going to fall out in the rear, and it really worried me. I thought my exhaust was going to fall out, but everything was tight. I kept checking it. It just turned out, I mean, I'd probably recommend doing a combination of both of them, with the washers and the electrical tape. I mean, I wish Kia would really, fix this issue, but yeah, if you're lowered, keep this in mind, because this was really annoying. Even with music up, you can hear it going over little bumps. It was really stupid. But yeah, I hope this helps you out as much as it did me, and it's a quick 1-minute fix. Get rid of an annoyance that could help you a lot. Take it easy, guys.